Hey everyone, my name is Kathryn and I am a portrait photographer who focuses on custom wall art and albums and folio boxes. And I just got the most beautiful custom wall art from GraphiStudios, and they are so beautiful. They took my breath away when I was opening their packaging. So I have to show you before I wrap them back up to deliver them to the clients. So these are custom framed walnut wall art from GraphiStudios. And I have to show you just how crisp the details are in the build, the quality, the craftsmanship, all of it. So when these arrived at the studio and I was unboxing them, I actually could not believe how incredibly beautiful they were. You can see just how perfectly crisp the prints are, how beautiful the finishes are. It just is probably one of the most beautiful pieces of wall art sets that I've ever ordered. And I cannot wait for my clients to see these. So I'm going to show you the other 5 pieces so that when you see everything, it's going to take your breath away too. Another perfect frame. Gorgeous, hey? Can't wait to see everything up on the wall. How beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm just so in love. And the final one. Oh, the precious little toddler. Oh, can you not just hear her laughter? That's why wall art is just the best thing ever. Oh, I'm so excited for Mom to see. I also just wanted to show the back of the wall art and how nicely they finish it. It's definitely a statement piece.